Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can download an app without App Store on absolutely any iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, and don't forget to write your comments at the end. So let's get down to our topic today. And first of all, friends, you will need to open the settings of your iPhone. After that, in the settings, go to Screen Time. Then scroll down a little bit, go to the option, Content and Privacy Restriction. Here, friends, go to the option Purchases through iTunes and App Store at the top. Next, Install Apps. The only thing you need to do here is make sure you have the very first feature active. That is, if you have the second one active, you will need to switch to Allow. After that, you can exit the settings and then download the app either through the App Store or through Safari. Now I will show you how you can do it quickly. To do this, open Safari, type in the name of an app or game. In my case, it's Doom. Next, scroll down until you find a page like this, where at the bottom on the right-hand side it says Download. Just click here. Then you'll get a page like this through Safari. You just have to click Download or Install, and then the app or the game that you've chosen will be installed on your phone. That's how you can download an app without the App Store on any iPhone, folks. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please put your likes, post your comments. Bye-bye.